So in this video, you'll learn how to stop or how to cancel a game installation on your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you have a game like me, who is currently installing Fortnite, and you want to cancel the installation, whether you want to pause it or you just want to stop it so that you can delete the game from your Switch, then all you need to do is simply just start by highlighting on it, then you want to select it. Once you've selected it, you should see this download options are listed right there. So what you want to do is simply choose that option and then select the option cancel download. Confirm that you wish to cancel the download and then wait a few moments, and then it will say the download has been cancelled. So all you need to do is just select OK. And so now you can see it now has a download icon there, and so it means you've successfully cancelled the download. If you want to resume it, you can always just select it and then choose the option download and it will be downloaded. If you want to remove it from your Switch altogether, then you can just go ahead and press on this plus button right there. And then under data management, so scroll and select data management, you want to select delete icon from home menu, and then confirm that you wish to delete it. And once you've done that, you can see it disappearing from this menu of options right here. And so that's how you can cancel an installation on your Nintendo Switch 2. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.